What's going on, everyone? Michael here. Welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. Just haven't really been out, and I've kind of wanted to do this video for quite a while. So today we're in my basement, and as you can see, we have my 2020 100 table fan. Now, why am I in my basement? Well, because I didn't want to... I thought that was just going to start up. It didn't. Usually that clicks and then it starts. This is the 2009 Whirlpool refrigerator. It's not part of the video. It's probably that. That's the pipe right there. I get distracted a lot. Anyways, why am I not doing this video in my bedroom? Well, because I didn't really want to do this video in my bedroom. And I kind of wanted to do a follow-up video here on my Hunter desk fan, because it's been a few months. I got this thing on Christmas Day of 2020. It's been a few months since I had it. And, well, I'm going to give my initial opinions on it and tell you guys what I think. Now, just from a distance. Now, we'll go ahead and start with looks. It's a very nice looking fan from a distance and close up. You can see I made a few modifications to it. These were on my bedroom wall. I decided to put these on the fan. I don't know why. Well, because I'm a 6-year-old and I wanted to. I'm a 6-year-old in the head. I'm 16. Anyways, it's a good looking fan in my opinion. I actually really like these. I've always wanted one of these Hunter desk fans. But now, let's go ahead and start her up, see how she runs. I'm gonna face it this way so there's no wind noise in the camera. So let's go ahead and start her off on high, because that's where it starts off on. I don't know if you could see it, but it is shaking quite a bit. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. But it is shaking quite a bit because the blades are off balance. And that's not a problem to me. Now, it came with off-balance blades, which is interesting in itself, but that's not a problem to me. It blows. It's a powerful fan, to say the least. It blows a lot of freaking air. As you can see, it's blowing the tablecloth here. I will get my air tester here, and I will show you how powerful this fucking thing is. This is how powerful the fan is. Look at that. Just a roll of toilet paper. Not toilet paper, freaking... I forget what you call it, this. Alright, so now let's go ahead and put it down to medium. Now on the box it says whisper quiet. Is it whisper quiet? On low it is. On medium and high, not so much. I mean, me personally, I like loud fans. And I went into this fan not knowing how noisy or quiet it would be. I actually looked up videos on this fan, on YouTube. But some came up like this from the 90s and not from then the rare model, which I forget what it's called. So I will show you the data sheet on this. This is just a base Hunter table fan, as you can see. Nothing special, just all metal design, besides the modifications that I've done to it. Now let's go ahead and put it on low. Yeah, and me personally, I like loud fans. I like loud fans a lot. Because, one way or another, kind of need the noise to help me fall asleep, so that's why I got it. So that's why I have it in my bedroom. But why'd I bring it downstairs? In here. You guys don't see my pissy yellow screwdriver anywhere, do you? No, you do not, because I don't have it. That's in my bedroom. The famous piss yellow screwdriver. No, I am not taking this fan apart. I am not. Now, we'll go ahead and shut her down. We'll go ahead and... We'll actually go ahead and... Okay. We'll go ahead and bring her back up to high and then shut it down. Show you the spin down time. That spin down time should be a little longer for an all metal blade. Now, you could probably tell if you have noticed, or if you have one of these in your collection, which most of the people that watch my channel, I'm guessing don't have a fan collection, because most of the people that watch my channel are for the train videos, my rail fanning videos, which I'm still gonna do. I'm still gonna rail fan. Just haven't had time to rail fan. So, but you probably noticed something. I'm gonna try to not give it away, but I probably have. What's missing? Yeah, there was a circle, like a round thing there that was holding on the guard. That I put back in the box because that was annoying as hell. Now, I can actually take the guard off, which I'm gonna take the guard off of the fan and run it without the guard. And I will run it on oscillation as well. I just need that is actually a good angle. Told you the damn thing comes off. I'm gonna place that right here. Yeah, I'm gonna place that right there. This is what the fan looks like without the guard. And yes, these blades are an all metal design. As you could probably see, it's an all metal design. The fan actually has a really nice motor too. So we'll go ahead and start her up. So we'll go ahead and start her up on without the cage, and we'll put the cage on, and then we'll do the oscillation on all 30 speeds. And yes, I have run this fan without the guard in the past. I think the refrigerator's kicked on. This fan this fan's extremely powerful. Look at this. Look at this shit, dude. This fan is extremely freaking powerful, bro. I'm gonna go all the way over here. I can still feel the air of the fan all the way from over here, and this is probably... Now, I'm not good with math, I'm going to say that right off the bat. This is its highest speed, on speed 3. This is probably maybe like 5 or 6, 7 feet away from the fan, and it's blowing a pretty decent amount of air. Look, it's still, dude, this is not even in the windshield of the fan, and it's still blowing it. That's how powerful this thing is. Alright, now let's go ahead and shut her down. Yeah, that has kicked on, by the way. Show you the spin down time. The spin down time could definitely be better. It depends on the spin down time of this fan, which is weird. I don't know if it's most fans, but the spin down time on this fan depends on how long you run it. I've ran this fan all night once, and it took quite a while for it to spin down, but as you can see, it does spin freely. It's got, yes, the bearings do have oil, and I have checked that, actually. Now let's go ahead and put the guard back on it. I have taken the motor housing off it and checked if the fan had oil, because I was curious about the freaking spin down time. Yes, it does. Now this is going to be a little hard to put on. Actually, okay, it wasn't that hard. It wasn't that hard to put on, actually. Now, let's go ahead and put her on oscillation, shall we? This is the oscillation mechanism here. Let's go ahead and start it off on low this time. This fan has a quite an angle of oscillation, I'd say. It goes all the way this way, and then it goes halfway this way. Which is interesting in itself, but you know. 90-degree oscillation, I'd say. 90.5-degree oscillation, I think it has. Let's go ahead and put her up on medium. You're gonna get wind noise in this. I'm sorry for that. I'm gonna try to stand to this side so you don't get wind noise. Right against the refrigerator. Okay, so it's been running on medium on oscillation for about 30 minutes, I'd say now. Now we're going high. Sorry about that cut in the video. My mom came down here. Anyways, this is how it runs on oscillation. Actually blowing. Now, despite the blades being off balance, it's actually blowing a pretty smooth stream of air coming out of it. Like, it's not bad. You know. It ain't bad at all. I'm gonna push it towards that way. We're running on high. I'm trying to do something here. From here, like 6, maybe 7 feet away from the fan, here, I'm not good with math, I'm going to say it again, I can still feel the airflow coming off of it. Look at this bitch. Look at this beast of a fucking fan, dude. It's still blowing, look. See, it's still blowing. This is a damn good fan, no matter... This is a damn good fan. This is a reliable fan, too. It's actually... Let's go ahead and turn it off. This is a reliable fan. I haven't used it, See what I mean by the spin down time? It depends how long you run this fan. Fan? The fuck? Depends how long you run the fan, bro! No, I'm just playing. Anyways. I haven't used it in a few weeks, I'd say. Despite having using it in a few weeks, this is actually the longest I've ran it in quite a while. I have ran it all night before, but kind of holding back using it because it is the winter month. It is the winter months. It's Saturday, February 20th. Right now, and I don't know if you can see that, but there is snow outside the window. There is snow outside. You guys, seeing that it has snowed in Texas? It's like, it's snowing all over the world. I'm in Long Island, New York. And also, it snows, and also it starts snowing in Texas. What the fuck? Like, I just wanted to bring that up because I thought it was kind of, like, funny. But at the same time, weird. Because I've been on TikTok quite a lot. I've been on TikTok all night last night, actually. So, yeah, I'm not scared to admit that. Alright, let's go ahead and unplug it. And there you go. There is my initial opinions. Actually, before we end off the video, I want to show you all something. show y'all the data plate. Actually, hold on a second. Let me see something real quick. There we go. Show y'all the data plate on this bitch. You guys can see that? You gotta either tilt your phone like this, or you can see it. Okay. So this is a Hunter table fan model 9400. This is the model I wanted. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 0.4 amps. Or 0.4 amp. Serial number is 9400 20231. Confirms the UL standard number 507. Date code 3220. So that's how I know it was made in. I'm guessing that's how. I'm guessing it was made in 2020. The 32 week of 2020, not too sure. And it was also made in the China. Yeah, made in the China. Despite being made in China, this is actually a really damn good fan. Despite being made in the China. Do I approve of this being made in China? No, I do not. Let's see where this was made. This is a 2009 Whirlpool. Where was this made? Canada. Just like my refrigerator upstairs. This was made in Canada. My refrigerator was made in Canada. That's from 2016. This is made in Thailand. This is a Sharp Corzel. Microwave. I think that's made in Thailand. Not too sure. I don't know if you can see that, but it's from 2005. I will do a video on this. Try to do a video on this with my old phone, and I was stupid enough to put my phone inside it. And yeah. There went that, so. Anyways, so that was my initial opinions on my Hunter table fan from 2020. It was made in the year 2020. Found it on Amazon for $63. Got it for Christmas. So, not bad. I still have the screenshot of this fan, actually. And if you guys want to see a video on my car collection, feel free. Let me know in the comment section down below, because I have bought a few new cars. This Nissan Titan is the newest member of my collection, and so is that. So that came with the Titan, and so is this. My GMC is actually upstairs. I bought a 2019 Sierra off Amazon as well. So if you guys want to see a video of that, let me know in the comment section down below. But let me know what videos you guys want to see, because I tend to upload every 2 weeks. I just realized that. I tend to upload every once a month. Every twice, maybe once a month. Every 2 weeks. My last video was of the M9. My last two videos were the M9 at Gibson. And then the other video was about my opinions on the Ford Raptor. So I'm trying to get an upload schedule here. Trying to figure out what I should do, because my channel is variety of stuff. like table fans, refrigeration equipment, trains, cars, tower fans, and other stuff. Yeah, and other stuff. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.